take my tuber model with me. It was originally gonna be a Pentuber, but I went the extra mile because I couldn't figure out Pentuber Remix. Pentuber Plus is apparently not getting any updates, and I don't really care for Viadotube. I wasn't originally going for it, but it kinda ended up looking like the Chikawa style. I haven't watched the show, but I like the manga, Loud Fat Little Evil Thing. I think it came out good. I also like the rigging since I was using the free version of Live2D. I tried to make toggles which didn't end up working. Not like I would have used them anyway, so